Everyone, I just would like to have a small discussion with my patient who's done hair restoration about 9 months ago. So how are you doing, doctor?
Feel great.
You feel great? So tell us a little bit how you feel about your results after 9 months of procedure done in our clinic.
Right, so I think everyone in the beginning feel a bit skeptical.
Yes.
So they were second to me. But I think I made the right decision to come here. I think to get advice from the expert, to get treatment from the expert. And after 9 months, I think after 4 months, something like that, I can see that my hair is growing. And I can see it becoming healthy because it becoming thicker and thicker.
Yes.
So I think after 6 months, I look at my hair, I need to cut my hair twice every month.
Wow.
It's growing so fast.
Yeah.
So I know that I have a healthy hair. So I know that your team done a good job with that. So I'm happy with the results.
Yes, yes. Here I am with my happy patient. So a happy patient makes the doctor very happy. So doctor, thank you so much for the small video of this to share with my viewers and my friends about the results of 9 months after FUE. Thank you so much.
Thank you.